beautiful people. It's your girl Fatima, the owner of Sister Nice with That Hook, guys. I'm a crocheter. I have 3 businesses: Sister Nice with That Hook, Fatima's Journey to Crafting, Fatima's Dolls. That's all me, guys. I'm all over the platform. That's me, that's me, that's me, that's me. Uno, uno, uno. Nefsi, nefsi. So, mashallah, let me get right into it. If you're new to my TikTok or my Instagram or my Facebook, thank you guys for joining and following me. I just want to get up here and show you these hats that I have available. Now, this is a trucker hat. This is a trucker hat. It has the snaps, has the mesh inside. This is a momming, like always momming. I mean, if you're a green lover, if you love green, then this hat is for you. See how I look behind. This is how I look behind. This hat is cute. This is available on my Etsy shop. It's a cute hat. So if you have children and you always momming, y'all know y'all be momming, mashallah, tabarakallah. Then I have this one right here. This is Maid. This is a trucker hat as well. So the reason I'm showing you this because I want you guys to see how it look on the inside, and it has the snapback. Hold on one second. I think my camera's upside down. I'm back. So this one right here, as I was showing you, this is a trucker hat. Has the mesh inside. One size fits all. This is for the ladies. Show you how it look. So you just you snap it on. This is how it look. And then the back. So yeah, just want to show you that. And the next one I'm about to show you side. This one right here is a baseball cap. It has the patch. I freestyled this. I learned, like, I was always watching how they made, you know, the crochet part. It's just like you're crocheting a beanie, but you just got to know how to do this part, which is easy. From me watching all the videos, I was just like, I got it now, so I don't have to watch the video anymore. So, mashallah. So this is a patch, a mesh. What do you call this? But anyways, you know what it is. So this is a baseball cap inside of it, and this one goes big head. I got a big head. This is, well, you know, it's a patch. This is for the ladies. It says wrong chick. It says stop in the back. It says stop in the back. It says stop in the back. Stop. Wrong chick. I just made this up. You know, it's a cute little hat, mashallah, for the ladies. Yeah, this is a baseball cap. You can tell the difference. Got all the little, what's the name? This pearls and stuff on it. It's cute. So yeah, I just want to get up here and show you this, guys. I know it took longer than expected, but just want to show you this. All of these hats are available on my Etsy shop. They're available on my Etsy shop. Link is in the bio, or I can put it in this video. So thanks for watching, guys, and thank you all those who have purchased from me. Thank you so much for the love and support in my business. I truly, truly, truly appreciate you. I'm your girl Fatima, Sister Nice with That Hook, Fatima's Dolls, Fatima's Journey to Crafting. Peace.